Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account that currently lists the trusted device. This verifies your authority to change security settings. Once logged in, open Account or Security Settings and navigate to Device Management. This is where trust relationships live. Make sure you have backup authentication ready, such as a code or recovery email, otherwise you may lock yourself out. If you can, note device names and last seen times, so you remove the correct entry rather than a device You now locate the specific device row and review last activity to confirm it's the one to remove. Then select the Remove, Revoke, or Sign Out option. This severs the trusted link and prompts the device to re-authenticate. When asked, confirm the action by entering your password or a 2FA code. This prevents unauthorized removals. Once done, the account will often invalidate existing tokens, so the device will soon be required to sign in again with full verification. Finish by forcing a sync or choosing sign out on all sessions if your platform offers it. This ensures the removed device no longer has access. Next, update passwords and revoke any app-specific passwords to close lingering authentication paths. Make sure to save the new credentials securely. If you mistakenly lock yourself out, use account recovery or backup codes. And if that fails, contact support for identity verification. One tip: keep one verified device or recovery method until you confirm access is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.